Dear Jim, my love, mi amor, the day we have been waiting for has finally arrived. I know we prayed for this since the time the universe told us we are entangled for each other forever.
Today, as we stand on the brink of forever, I want to share with you the depths of my heart. From our first encounter, you brought a unique magic into my life. Nagsisimula pa lang kami sa relationship namin, parang ang goal ko na talaga is parang siya na talaga hanggang dulo. Ayoko na ng yung ulit-ulit.
Parang gusto nga namin ikasal kami na medyo late pa. Pero parang inisip din namin na parang it's time na din. No? Like, yun, gusto kasi talaga namin makasama na yung isa't isa, like everyday, mga ganun.
Tingin ko nung una kami nagkakilala, parang click agad kami dalawa eh. Like, family person siya, tas ako din, ganun din eh. So, doon pa lang talagang na kami doon. Click na kami doon.
Ngayong special na araw, alam kong matagal nyo itong pinagplanuhan. So, ang akin lang mapapayo sa'yo, sana maging responsible husband ka at maging role model na magiging mga anak mo at sana maging masaya kayo sa pagbuo ng pamilya.
Yung fresh mo. Fresh. Ay, hag lang. Looking back to the early days of our relationship, there were days na we almost gave up because we were in a long-distance relationship due to pandemic. Like, tama sila na mahirap makipagrelasyon kung magkalayo kayo ng partner mo sa isa't isa. That was me overthinking back then. But I held on to you as you are always saying, you love me and everything is real. With the help of our constant communication, pinanghawakan ko lahat yan, ang mga pangako natin sa isa't isa, and believe that pandemic will end and we can see each other in person. And thank God it happened.
There's this maze in my heart, yes you made it. Trying to find my way out on my own. It's gonna take a few years, but I'll make it.
Loving you is the easiest decision I have ever made, and I cannot wait for our future together.
'Cause every time I give it a shot.
Ipinapangako kong pipiliin kita sa araw-araw, hindi dahil dapat, kung hindi dahil gusto ko at dahil mahal kita.
From the start, when I take a right, it just leads to you. When I take a left, guess what? It still leads to you.
Anak, sana lagi kayong masaya ni Jim, huwag kayong nag-aaway. Magmahal ang kayong dalawa. Kung paano pagmamahal mo sa mga magulang mo, ganun din sana pagmamahal mo sa mga binan mo kay Jim.
Cause I know I'm not looking back, that's for sure. I know I'm not looking back, that's for sure.
proud to say, Nanay Ami, Tatay Gon, Mama Cristeta, Papa Roger, I found a good, kind, and loving man na alam kong nandyan sa bawat yugto ng buhay namin.
When I take a ride, it just leads to you. When I take a left, guess what? It still leads to you.
Jim Adrian Real Magnaye, mula sa araw na ito ng ating kasal hanggang magpailanman, mas mamahalin kita ng buong puso.
Still leads to you.
With all my love and heart, I choose you today and every day for all the days of our lives.
Hindi ka binigyan ng Diyos ng perfect wife or perfect husband. Binigyan ka niya ng tamang tao para sabay kayong maging holy. No? Tamang tao, not perfect.
Ooh.